This is a sea green and white mixer grinder with 3 jars. It measures 18.1 by 16.9 by 21.9 centimeter. It is a 500 watts high torque copper motor with a longer running time. It also has stainless steel techno blade that can grind very finely. It also has a shock-proof body made of ABS material. The 3 jars have a capacity of 1.2 liters, 800 milliliter and 400 milliliter respectively. They are sturdy and leak-proof. The lids are easy to open and use.
The grinder from Butterfly includes a 0.4 liter chutney jar, a 0.75 liter grinding jar and a 1.5 liter juicer jar, so you can use them in multiple ways. The mixer grinder has a powerful 550 volt motor for versatile mixer operations and a durable body made of ABS material. This strong base provides a sturdy grip for hassle-free usage. The stainless steel blades allow smooth functioning of fine wet or dry grinding. The dual function juicer jar can be used for both mixing and blending, so it is perfect for smoothies. All you have to do is chop up your favorite fruits or vegetables, pop them in and enjoy a fresh, healthy drink in no time.
This mixer grinder has an ultra strong motor of 750 watts that also has a high torque. It offers efficient high performance grinding and helps you perform all the grinding and mixing work with precision. Made from ABS plastic, the mixer grinder is durable and strong and can easily withstand a lot of pressure from grinding. Also, the stainless steel blades are specially designed to ensure uniform and powerful grinding. This grinder also offers a relatively safe operation. It comes in 2 variants, 2021 and 750 watts.
Bejan by Stovecraft Twin Mixer Grinder. It is available in the color black. This mixer grinder is equipped with a powerful 750 watts motor that offers high speeds of up to 21,000 rpm to rapidly and efficiently grind, mix and blend ingredients. It is made with high-quality ABS and stainless steel body that ensures durability and longevity. The mixer grinder comes with 3 stainless steel jars and a juicer jar. Furthermore, these multi-purpose jars are ideal for juicing, chutney making, dry grinding, wet grinding, and mincing different kinds of ingredients.